Hossa. Breakaway chance. He scores! Marian Hossa.
He looked to be cherry-picking in behind the defense, and it worked. He found himself on a breakaway.
Rene's in almost perfect position. I say almost because the shot's better. It just beats him.
Gains the zone and looks over his options. Shoots. Score! And this one is tied.
Zucker's decision was pretty easy. This low in a slot. Just snap it home.
Allen's a goaltender that can be beaten up over the shoulders. He closes down the bottom of the net, Edzo, but this time they beat him up over his shoulders.
The Blues look to make a difference up the wing. Slid to Schwartz. He scores!
Got to get to this area of the ice.
Dubnyk's looking back at the net here. He thought he had the low stick side covered. He doesn't, and the puck's behind him.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Score! Late in the period. Couldn't get much later for that one.
Key to this goal on the one-timer, hands away from the body and follow through.
Crawford's positioning is perfect. He's in the butterfly. It looks like he's got most of the net covered, but that is an outstanding shot.
Winnipeg's collected another victory on the faceoff. Chip to Wheeler. Got in the way of that one, too. Score! And the game is even.
Skating got him to the front of the net and was able to put in that second chance opportunity.
Not really sure what the goaltender's going to be able to do here, Eddie. That's such a gorgeous move and pass.
Shoots one. Score!
That slap shot had some steam on it.
Goalies hate getting beaten up over the glove side. They think they're in position, and they feel that they can catch just about anything. Not this time.
Shoots. They score! A first one of the game, and it's early.
Shot surprised the goaltender in close.
Havlic's in almost perfect position. I say almost because the shot's better. It just beats him.